Lights, camera, action. All eyes on me, 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 me. All eyes on me, 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 me. I'm all that you see, 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 see. I'm all that you see, 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 see. All eyes on me. Lights, camera, action. All eyes on me. 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 All eyes on me.
Nung kayo binigay sa amin ni Lord, siyempre masaya kami kasi dalawa kayo, kambal kayo.
I don't know much but I know this. Everyone's life has a purpose.
Ang hirap kasi dalawa yung padededehin, dalawa yung babantayan mo, dalawa yung napupuyat. Pero ang kapalit nun, masarap. Kasi doble yung hirap, pero doble yung saya mo.
When I feel down, it's okay. 'Cause the sun's gonna rise for me anyway.
Happy birthday, Jessie and Josh! Happy birthday, Chelsea! Saka Josh!
I got the power in me. I got the power in me.
Wish ko lang sana sa yung college kayo, huwag kayo magbulakbol. Love ko kayo kahit lagi ko yung inaaway.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight all the way down. Nothing good.
As you celebrate this milestone, may your heart continue to grow with love, wisdom, and the courage to follow your dream. And of course, stay pretty. Happy birthday, Ninang loves you.
Believe me, they might think I'm crazy, but I just
And thankfully, nung nagpa-ultrasound ulit ako, may isang boy, may isang girl. So Chelsea, answered prayer ka. These past few weeks, lagi tayong nagka-clash. Maybe because growing ka na nga and yung puso ko, pusong nanay, thinking na baby ka pa rin.
there's no denying. I got the power in me. I got the power in me. I got the power in me.
Nasa dadating na mga panahon, mas magmamatured ka at mapufulfill mo yung dreams mo at dreams namin para sa'yo. Sa'yo din, Josh, dadaling ka sa mas higher heights na alam ko na ikatutuwa ng buong pamilya natin. So, to you vote, we love you.
Now more than ever, would you put my heart back together?
Ang advice na magbibigay ko sa'yo is enjoy life hanggat bata ka pa. Okay, kasi kami may rayuman na yata.
You're always better.
Happy birthday sa inyong dalawang kambal. Sana kayo makatapos ng pag-aaral at hanggang sa huli, kayo magtagumpay.
Lord, I am so thankful for the ways that you bless me. Everything you say,
Maging mabait ka sa mami at daddy mo. Talaga namang mabait ka. I-continue mo yung pagiging mabait mong anak. At we love you, Cheng. Alam mo yan.
Jehovah Jireh, provider. Your way.
Lagi kaming nasa likod mo. Ups and down, kaming kakampi mo. Family mo.
Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I said,
Ang wish ko, kung ano man yung narating ko, ganun ko sila kamahal na mahigitan pa nila. Ganun yung pagmamahal ng isang magulang sa anak na hindi mo papangarapin ang anak mo hanggang dito na lang. Laging sana lumagpas sa kung ano yung narating ko. So that's how I love them both.
Your ways